Look. Uno. You don't want this? Uno. Siya lang ang batang ayaw sa tsokolate. Which is very good. Baby, look, oh. Uno. Ayun talaga, guys. So, I got this pick up a pretzel and this one is find your own Biscoff. Try natin to. Oh, you get this one. The other one. Okay. Paano natin i-open yan? Paano kakainin ni Nana yan? I-review na po ni Una yung fixed chocolate bar for you. That's not a chocolate, that's a book. Baby. Oh, you explain it to them. What is this? Oh. There. Oh, thank you. Sige, try na natin tong Mind Your Own Biscoff. Dito pa si Blue's Clues. Oh. She's gonna open the chocolate with me. Uno. Ayaw naman tumayo ni Blue. Day. Ganyan ba yun? Ingat na ingat. It's purple. Open. Oh, yung bilis. Oh. Wow. It's amazing. It smells white chocolate. Ang laki niya. Ay. Na-break agad. Wow. Car. Galing. Sarap. Open na. Oh, I think this is a bad idea. Ay, sleepy na to. Sleepy na yung bata. You want water? This looks good. It's a very salty chocolate. So full. There's the pretzel. Love! Don't play with your water!